Hello guys, welcome to Larte Design YouTube channel, and today we've got something very special and unique for you. Now this is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe 63 AMG version, and as you can see it's got some extra Larte touches to make this car even more individual. So let's have a walk around and I'll show you the details. We're talking about the rear, the front, the side. So now it's time to talk about the front of this vehicle. As you can see, we've added a few upgrades on this GLE Coupe. Now let's take a closer look what we've actually changed. First of all, you can see the biggest and the most massive part on this body kit is the hood. If you take a closer look, you can see that this hood is done in a very interesting way. It has a combination of fully exposed carbon fiber. However, the biggest part is painted in glossy black. So this is something that you can really make individual and make it very personal the way you want. Now, if you can look at this aerodynamic lines on this hood, they really enhance the sporty and bold look of the whole car. Now, the design of this hood emphasizes the power potential of this iconic SUV. As you can see on this GLE version, we've got the stock front grille. However, at Larte Design, we can make this look even more special. And let me show you what I mean by that. We've got here a fully exposed carbon fiber front grille, which can also be done in carbon fiber but painted in the color of your car. So it is really something that you can decide. But let me know, would you rather like this stock version of the front grille, the stock view, or something more interesting, something more special with Larte Design front grille? Now, as we move further down, you can see that we've got here an additional front bumper overlay, which is also done in 100% carbon fiber, as you can see. Well, this can also be painted in the color of your car, so it is really something that you can decide on if you want to make it more individual. Now, as you can see, the front bumper overlay makes the car look visually more sporty and wide, and definitely it's something special and enhances the overall sportiness of the car. To make your GLE even more unique, instead of having the traditional Mercedes-Benz logo, you can have the Larte Design logo, which will definitely make it more unique. Now we talk about the side view of this vehicle, and as you can see, we kept this GLE in its stock version. However, we've added one little detail that honestly enhances the overall look of the car, and it's the tiny touch of the mirror cups, which are also carbon fiber. Now, additionally, if you want to make your GLE look even more individual, you can have the special designed forged wheels by Larte Design, which you can customize the way you want. Additionally, we offer some side touches. We can have the side skirts and the side fenders, which will of course enhance the overall look of the car. Apart from this GLE, we also offer body kit options for your BMW X6 or Porsche Cayenne. Now, all body kit parts can be made from 100% carbon fiber, or we can also paint them in the color of your car. It's really about individuality, so you decide however you want them to be. Most importantly, we produce, design and manufacture all parts for the body kit in Germany. We also ship worldwide, so if you are interested, let us know and feel free to contact us. So now let's talk about the rear view of this vehicle. As you can see, this is a facelift version, so we've got here the updated tail lights. Now, as you can see, it has a very sleek rear, the coupe rear, but we also offer options for the previous version. Now, let us know which one would you like more, the coupe version, the facelift, or the SUV version. Now, if we look further down on this coupe, we've got the Larte Design rear diffuser. Now, as you can see, this is made from 100% carbon fiber. It's designed, produced, and manufactured all in Germany. Now, if you take a closer look, this coupe has got the stock exhaust tips. However, we also can make those customized for you and can have them done by Larte design. And most importantly, the thing that you see first when you look at this rear view, we've got the additional special brake lights which are inspired by Formula 1. And this do not only make the appearance of the car more bold and sporty, this also enhances the visibility when you drive on the roads. Now, this rear is not only sporty and bold, but it is also functional as it enhances and optimizes the airflow of the car when you drive. Now, this rear is sporty, aggressive, and enhances the aerodynamics of your car when you drive at high speeds. Now, if you take a closer look at the top of the car, we've got an additional spoiler. Now, you can see it has a very interesting style and interesting lights. Now, this spoiler also enhances the stability when you drive at high speeds. This is not only about the looks and appearance, as it's also about the quality and functionality. So before we continue with this video, we've also got here a pre-facelifted version of the AMG GLE Coupe 63. Now, as you can see, this AMG GLE63 has also got a Larte rear diffuser, which is made from 100% carbon fiber. And if you take a closer look, we've got here special exhaust tips which are vertically placed. Now, if we compare this version to the other version that we have here, which is the facelift of the AMG GLE Coupe 63, you can see that this one has also a carbon fiber rear diffuser, but we've got here the stock exhaust tips. Now, let us know which option you actually like more, if it's whether the Larte exhaust tips or the stock exhaust tips. Before we finish this video, let's actually listen to the sound. This is the iconic AMG V8 engine. We have nothing changed on it, but it still sounds very nice. So let's hear it. Now we come to the end of this video, and thank you for watching, guys. Let us know if you enjoyed this video, and once again, today we had a nice walk around of this AMG GLE63 S version, and as you could see, we've got some interesting Larte updates on this vehicle, and the stock version has got some plastic solution, but Larte has got some interesting carbon solution. So let us know if you enjoyed it, how you liked it, and tell us what you think about it. So if you are interested, let us know and contact us. We ship worldwide. Also, all the parts, once again, are produced, designed, and manufactured in Germany. So let us know if you're interested, and we're here to help you.